Greetings, dear seekers of wisdom. Today we are here to explore the profound influence of the new moon and how we can harness its energy to improve our lives. The new moon marks the beginning of a new lunar cycle and is a powerful time for setting intentions, initiating new projects, and planting seeds for future growth. By aligning ourselves with the natural rhythms of the moon, we can tap into a deeper well of energy and wisdom that can guide us on our path to personal and spiritual development. The new moon represents a time of darkness and stillness, a moment of pause before the moon begins to grow again. This period of darkness can be seen as a blank canvas, an opportunity to start fresh and create anew. When we understand the significance of this phase, we can use it to set clear and focused intentions for what we wish to manifest in our lives. The energy of the new moon supports new beginnings and helps us to align our actions with our highest aspirations. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. To start, let's consider the importance of intention setting during the new moon. Intentions are like seeds that we plant in the fertile soil of our consciousness. The more clear and focused our intentions, the more likely they are to grow and flourish. During the new moon, we can take time to reflect on what we truly desire and set intentions that are in alignment with our highest good. This process involves going within and connecting with our inner wisdom to discern what is most important to us at this moment. One practical way to set intentions during the new moon is to create a ritual or ceremony that honors this special time. Find a quiet and sacred space where you can be undisturbed and gather any items that have personal significance to you, such as candles, crystals, or sacred objects. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to center yourself and connect with the present moment. As you breathe, feel yourself grounding and becoming more attuned to the energy of the new moon. Once you feel centered, take a moment to reflect on what you wish to manifest in the coming lunar cycle. What are your deepest desires and goals? What areas of your life would you like to see growth and transformation? Write down your intentions on a piece of paper, being as specific and clear as possible. The act of writing helps to solidify your intentions and brings them into the physical realm. After you have written your intentions, you can perform a simple ritual to activate them. One method is to light a candle and hold your written intentions in your hands, visualizing them coming to fruition. As you do this, speak your intentions out loud, affirming them with conviction and trust. You might say something like, "I intend to bring more love and harmony into my relationships," or "I intend to achieve my career goals with ease and grace." Feel the energy of your intentions filling your being and radiating out into the universe. Another powerful practice during the new moon is to engage in activities that support your intentions. For example, if your intention is to improve your health, you might start a new exercise routine or make healthier food choices. If your intention is to enhance your creativity, you might begin a new artistic project or take a class to develop your skills. By taking concrete actions that align with your intentions, you strengthen their energy and increase the likelihood of their manifestation. It's also important to remain open and flexible with your intentions. Sometimes the universe has a way of bringing us what we need in unexpected ways. Trust that the energy you are putting out will return to you in the form that is most beneficial for your growth and well-being. Stay attuned to the signs and synchronicities that may arise, and be willing to adjust your course as needed. The new moon is also a time for inner reflection and self-care. The darkness of the new moon invites us to turn inward and connect with our inner selves. This is a time to rest, recharge, and nurture our bodies, minds, and spirits. Engaging in practices such as meditation, Journaling and gentle movement can help us to connect with our inner wisdom and gain clarity on our intentions. Meditation during the new moon can be particularly powerful. As you sit in stillness, focus on your breath and allow your mind to quiet. Visualize the new moon as a source of pure, radiant energy that fills you with light and clarity. As you meditate, you may receive insights or guidance on your intentions. Trust these messages and allow them to inform your actions moving forward. Journaling is another valuable tool for reflection during the new moon. Take some time to write about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. What insights have you gained? What challenges or obstacles do you need to address? Writing helps to clarify your thoughts and can reveal patterns or themes that are important for your growth. Use your journal as a space to explore your intentions and track your progress over the lunar cycle. Self-care is also essential during the new moon. This is a time to honor your body and spirit by engaging in activities that nourish and rejuvenate you. Whether it's taking a long bath, spending time in nature, practicing yoga, or simply resting, make self-care a priority. When we take care of ourselves, we create a strong foundation from which to manifest our intentions. As we continue to explore the power of the new moon, let's consider the role of gratitude in this process. Gratitude is a powerful energy that can amplify our intentions and attract more of what we desire into our lives. During the new moon, take time to reflect on what you are grateful for. What blessings do you already have in your life? How have your past intentions come to fruition? By focusing on gratitude, you shift your energy to a higher vibration and open yourself to receive more abundance and joy. One practice to cultivate gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal. Each day, write down at least 3 things you are grateful for. These can be simple things, like a beautiful sunset or a kind word from a friend, or more significant achievements and experiences. As you write, feel the energy of gratitude filling your heart and radiating out into the universe. This practice helps to keep your focus on the positive aspects of your life and attracts more of what you appreciate. Another way to cultivate gratitude is to express it to others. Take time to thank the people in your life who have supported and inspired you. Whether it's a heartfelt note, a phone call, or a simple thank you, expressing gratitude strengthens your connections and creates a positive flow of energy. When we show appreciation, we not only uplift others but also enhance our own sense of well-being and fulfillment. As we move through the lunar cycle, it's important to stay connected to our intentions and to take consistent action towards their realization. The energy of the new moon sets the stage, but it is our ongoing efforts that bring our intentions to life. Regularly revisit your written intentions and assess your progress. Are you taking steps that align with your goals? Are there any adjustments or changes needed? Stay committed to your intentions and trust in the process. It's also valuable to align our intentions with the natural cycles and rhythms of the moon. Each phase of the moon offers unique energies that can support different aspects of our intentions. For example, the waxing moon, which follows the new moon, is a time for growth and expansion. This is a good period to take action and move forward with your plans. The full moon, with its peak energy, is a time for celebration and manifestation. Use this time to acknowledge your progress and express gratitude for what you have achieved. The waning moon, as the moon begins to decrease in size, is a time for releasing and letting go. This is an opportunity to clear away any obstacles or limiting beliefs that may be hindering your progress. By tuning into these natural cycles, we can work in harmony with the energies of the moon and enhance our ability to manifest our intentions. Pay attention to how you feel during each phase of the moon and adjust your actions accordingly. This alignment with the lunar cycles helps to create a more balanced and flow-filled approach to achieving your goals. As we conclude this part, let us take a moment to reflect on the insights and practices we have discussed. How can you incorporate these practices into your life to harness the energy of the new moon and improve your life? By setting clear and focused intentions, engaging in rituals and actions that support your goals, cultivating gratitude, and aligning with the natural rhythms of the moon, you can create a powerful foundation for growth and transformation. Thank you for your patience and commitment to this profound exploration. Let's continue to deepen our understanding of how the new moon can serve as a catalyst for transformation and growth in our lives. As we delve further into the practices associated with the new moon, let's explore the importance of purging and cleansing during this phase. The new moon is not just a time for setting intentions, but also for clearing away anything that no longer serves us. This creates space for new energies and opportunities to enter our lives. By releasing old patterns, habits, and clutter, we make room for growth and transformation. One practical method for cleansing during the new moon is through physical decluttering. Take some time to go through your living space and remove items that you no longer need or that no longer bring you joy. This could be clothing, books, papers, or even digital clutter like unnecessary emails and files. The physical act of decluttering can have a powerful impact on your mental and emotional state, creating a sense of lightness and clarity. In addition to physical decluttering, consider engaging in an energetic cleanse. This can be done through various practices such as smudging with sage or palo santo, using sound healing with bells or singing bowls, or taking a salt bath. These practices help to clear stagnant energy and bring a fresh, clean vibration to your space and your being. As you engage in these cleansing rituals, set the intention to release any negative or stagnant energy and to invite in fresh, positive energy. Another important aspect of the new moon is introspection and self-inquiry. This is a time to look within and examine any limiting beliefs or patterns that may be holding you back. Reflect on your current life situation and identify any areas where you feel stuck or unfulfilled. Ask yourself deep questions about your desires, fears, and motivations. By gaining clarity on what is holding you back, you can begin to release these limitations and create space for new possibilities. Journaling can be a powerful tool for introspection during the new moon. Write about your current challenges and what you believe may be the root causes. Explore any fears or doubts that are coming up for you. By putting your thoughts and feelings on paper, you can gain greater insight into your inner world and begin to see patterns that may need to be addressed. Use this time to also write about your dreams and aspirations, and how you can overcome any obstacles to achieve them. Meditation is another valuable practice for introspection. During the new moon, take time to sit in stillness and connect with your inner self. As you meditate, focus on your breath and allow your mind to quiet. In this state of stillness, you may receive insights or guidance about your path. Trust the messages that come through and use them to inform your actions moving forward. The new moon is also an excellent time for planting the seeds of new habits and routines. Think about the habits and practices that you would like to incorporate into your life to support your growth and well-being. This could be anything from starting a new exercise routine, adopting a healthier diet, or committing to a daily meditation practice. Whatever it is, use the energy of the new moon to set these new habits in motion. One effective way to establish new habits is to start small and be consistent. Choose one or two habits that you feel would have the most positive impact on your life and commit to practicing them daily. Track your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. Remember that it takes time to establish new habits, so be patient with yourself and stay committed to your goals. Incorporating the practice of visualization can also be beneficial during the new moon. Visualization involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome and feeling the emotions associated with it. This practice can help to align your energy with your intentions and make them more likely to manifest. During the new moon, take some time to visualize your goals and dreams as if they have already come to fruition. See yourself living the life you desire and feel the joy and fulfillment that comes with it. The more vividly you can imagine your desired outcome, the more powerful your visualization will be. Another practice to consider during the new moon is working with affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with your intentions. Choose affirmations that resonate with your goals and repeat them daily, especially during the new moon. For example, if your intention is to improve your health, you might use affirmations like, "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy," or "I make choices that support my well-being." By consistently repeating these affirmations, you can create a positive mindset that supports your intentions. As we continue to explore the new moon's potential, let's consider the importance of community and connection. While the new moon is a time for personal reflection and intention setting, it can also be a powerful time to connect with others who share similar goals and values. Consider creating or joining a new moon circle or group where you can share your intentions, support each other, and celebrate your progress together. This sense of community can provide accountability, encouragement, and inspiration as you work towards your goals. In a new moon circle, you can perform rituals together, such as intention setting, meditation, and sharing of insights and experiences. This collective energy can amplify your intentions and create a strong sense of connection and support. Whether you meet in person or virtually, being part of a community can enhance your new moon practices and help you stay committed to your goals. Additionally, consider seeking out mentors or guides who can support you on your journey. Having someone who has walked a similar path and can offer guidance and wisdom can be incredibly valuable. Look for individuals who inspire you and whose values align with your own. Be open to receiving their insights and advice, and use it to inform your own journey. The new moon is also a time for honoring the cycles of nature and the seasons of life. Just as the moon goes through phases, so do we. There are times of growth and expansion, and times of rest and reflection. By aligning ourselves with these natural cycles, we can create a more balanced and harmonious life. Take time during the new moon to connect with nature and observe the rhythms and cycles around you. Whether it's spending time in a garden, walking in the woods, or simply sitting outside and observing the night sky, connecting with nature can help you to feel more grounded and in tune with the natural flow of life. As we conclude this part, let us take a moment to reflect on the practices and insights we have discussed. How can you incorporate these practices into your life to harness the energy of the new moon and improve your life? By engaging in cleansing and purging, introspection, establishing new habits, visualization, working with affirmations, connecting with community, seeking mentorship, and honoring the cycles of nature, you can create a powerful foundation for growth and transformation. Thank you for your dedication to this exploration. In the next part, we will continue to delve deeper into additional practices and insights for using the new moon to improve your life. Until then, remember to stay connected to your intentions, take consistent action, and trust in the unfolding of your journey.